we're going to do an upgrade to the Tenere 700 with some Adventure Spec Luggage Racks for the side, and I also have the luggage rack there. So hang out, go get you a nice cold drink, and we'll be right back. The Moto lawyer, old Rick Stewart. Someone made you fall, you better make that call. Make that call to Rick now. He's gonna help you out. He's gonna turn that wreck into a check. You know what I'm talking about? Today we installed the racks on the side, one on the top. I love the way it looks. I think it makes the Tenere look awesome. Really excited. The one main thing though, because I do have a rackless system, is that when you're really riding, there's not a good way for those bags to really get strapped on the bottom from the ones that I've used so far. And they kind of flop around a little bit. I don't like the flopping. I don't really care for it. I think it makes my ride less enjoyable. So I used to have these on the old Tenere before I was hit in an accident, and it's the only parts I didn't get back with the bike, oddly enough. But that's a story for another day. I reordered these from Adventure Spec. I've had them for a while. I just haven't really had time to put them on the bike. Put them on the bike. They're awesome. I love them. They look great. They hold the bags down tight. It's easier to pick the bike up when you fall because of these nice handles. And it doesn't come back too far. And it's nice and tidy. So those are the reasons why I like the Adventure Spec. I think it looks awesome on the Tenere. Check them out today. This was not a paid promotion by them. I bought these with my own cash. All right. Look, please like and subscribe. Support the channel if you can. And until next time, ADV hooligans, peace.